Shower review, store 535, Londonderry, Pennsylvania. Shower number 3, and this is a Love's. Well appointed room, ceiling clean, fan could use a wipe down, but otherwise acceptable. That's my trash. I mean, the floor is nice and clean, no debris anywhere. All the fixtures are in place, nothing broken out, no holes in the wall. Everything is very clean and well appointed. Shower head is a little low, approximately 5 foot 10 maybe. I mean, it's not broken. Everything seems to be done well. And yes, those are my dishes. And I will be washing my dishes in the shower before I bathe. That's how I cook in the truck. And I don't worry about the amount of dishes I make. And I wash them in the shower. You know, it just makes life a lot more pleasurable in the truck. Overall, shower number 3 was good. Water pressure, steady. No fluctuations. The temperature was consistent. Got plenty hot. Everything was a very good shower. I would rate this a very good.